Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we are going to talk about a man goes missing in Juba after visiting a bank. His family fear he has been abducted. Akobo County launched a major peace campaign to end clan fighting. Warab State began forceful disarmament, warning youth to lay down their guns. Jetco company electricity tariff reduction taking effect, but many residents are still waiting for confirmation. And last, Professor Julia Duane urges South Sudan leader to forgive, reconcile, and bring lasting peace. Before we proceed with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin with our first top story. Man missing in Juba after a bank visit. Family fear abduction. According to the report, a family in Juba is desperately searching for their loved one, Kamis Samuel Justin, who went missing after visiting a bank on Thursday. According to his brother Thomas Justin, Kamis left home early in the morning to withdraw money from a local bank. Later, he stopped by to see his sister and then visited his uncle around midday. The uncle confirmed that Kamis said he was heading to the custom area to withdraw more cash from Kenya Commercial Bank, KCB. But that was the last time anyone saw him. By around 2 p.m., Thomas received a disturbing text message sent from Kamis' own phone, saying that he had been taken to an unknown location. When the family tried to call back, the phone was switched off. The family quickly reported the incident to several police stations across Juba, including Konyo Konyo and Melekia, but no update has been given so far. Thomas too reported that they have written an official statement and are waiting for court approval to ask the mobile company MTN to trace where the message was sent from. He described Kamis as a hardworking man and a responsible father who supports his family. It is very painful, he said. He has children who depend on him. Authorities have not yet commented on the case, and the family continued to plead with the public for any information that could help locate Kamis. Let's look at our second top story. Akobo launched new push for peace amid clan feud within Akobo. In Akobo County, Jonglei State, a renewed peace effort is underway. County Commissioner James Quid Makwach led a one-day peace rally on Wednesday in Dengjokpayam, calling on local communities to stop revenge killing and live in unity. The rally brought together local chief, women, group, youth leader, and religious figures, all determined to rebuild peace in Akobo. Speaking to the crowd, Commissioner Makwai said, "My mission here is a mission of peace. Our goal is clear. Let's unite and solve our problem through dialogue, not violence." The peace campaign continued the following days in Gakdong Payam as part of a wider tour across the country. This initiative comes after a year of deadly clan feud that displaced many families and restricted free movement in the area. Community leaders also agreed that those responsible for revenge killing should face justice and be handed over to authorities. However, despite this effort, one revenge killing was reported on Thursday in Akobo main market. Local authorities are now working closely with both clans to prevent retaliation. Officials say this was the first revenge killing since December 2024, showing that Akobo has been much calmer in 2025 than in previous years. Commissioner Makwaj urged residents to keep choosing peace, reminding them that development can only come when communities stand together. Let's hear from people in Warab State. Warab State began forceful disarmament. Youth urged to comply. However, in Warab State, the government of South Sudan has begun a forceful disarmament operation after 48-hour deadline for army youth to surrender their weapon expired. The information minister Mamer Bat spoke to the media, urging all army youths to cooperate with the South Sudan People Defense Forces (SSPDF) and avoid confrontation. He said, "The deadline is over. The army will now move in. I call on the youth to comply. If the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, asks you to lay down your gun, please do it peacefully. Resistance could bring serious consequences." The disarmament campaign is part of a state of emergency declared in June to end growing insecurity caused by army group. According to the minister, the operation this time will be different, with the full support of the National Army. He added that youths who cooperate will later assist in maintaining peace, helping authorities catch criminals and collect illegal guns in a peaceful way. But say the government's goal is not punishment, but safety. We just want our people to live without fear, he said. The people of Warab have long suffered from intercommunal violence and cattle raid. The minister said this operation will mark a new beginning for the state, one where communities live in harmony and trust the law to protect them. In our first top story, JETCO electricity tariff reduction take effect in Juba, but question remain. In Juba, many residents are eager to see whether the Juba Electricity Distribution Company, JETCO, has finally reduced electricity price as promised. The tariff reduction ordered by President Salva Kiir Mayardit earlier this year officially taking effect today, he said, November 1st, 2025. A report on social media suggests a ceremony may have been held attended by officials from the Ministry of Energy and Dam, JETCO, and the Ezra Group, which manage power distribution in the capital. However, as of now, there has been no official statement confirming whether customers are already paying the new lower rate. James Akwi, JETCO project manager, said earlier that team had been preparing by adjusting internal system and updating contract to make the new tariff possible. Residents and business owners say they hope to feel the difference soon. Many have struggled for a year with high electricity price that made it difficult to run home and small businesses. Officials say the new tariff system is designed to make power more affordable while keeping the company sustainable. For now, the people of Juba are watching closely, waiting to see if the president's order truly bring down the cost of living. Before you proceed, please save the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's look at this report. War come when we don't talk. Professor Julia Dwany urged leader to reconcile. And finally, a strong message of peace and forgiveness from Professor Julia Dwany, the founder of the Gender Equity and Women Leadership Program in South Sudan. Speaking at the closing session of the FI organization conference in Juba, Professor Dwany called on South Sudan leaders to forgive each other and choose dialogue instead of division. She said, let our leaders forgive one another and talk to each other. War comes when people don't talk. If our leaders talk, our children will sing song of joy and our women will laugh again at the water point. Her emotional speech drew applause from women, leader, parliamentarian, minister, and peace activists who attended the 2 days event. The conference focused on restoring hope and action to promote women's role in peace building and mark the 25th anniversary of UN Security Council Resolution 1325 on women, peace, and security. Professor Dwany reminded the audience that peace is not just a government plan. It is a way of life. Peace building, she said, starts with how we talk to one another, how we listen, and how we forgive. She wanted against tribalism and political division, saying they only destroy the unity South Sudan need to move forward. Her message was clear: the country can only heal if its leader and people speak to one another with honesty, love, and forgiveness. Another malakan yam kanal dial kondilian ka roine gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel an wala shankaro ka paywalkel ron kinaro jandangro di dich biakamal. Akan kono nyamre alerti, please go no jin be subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ka go no jin ba bi notification bell jeto an committee mshi bare be shamala shubege. Men ban lingwas men ban roiche ka ler shub ka dich no chala de wore wiki Juba take wut misha page wajin che jien che ka bank gwatamo kana nen gwadadan che otin ban jiling. Rewda gwasame Akobo County shikan malkam tugduli shikana nyoko millet kene ko de korde japal diodien bana racha ka kwimen kap ka Warab state wa kamni chaje tugre wichin binemi changwen chaga jogono ranchi gorno ba mej baga pen ngwanen gwasme bana rach ke jet ko company mala karabla jatobe re wiki Juba chala no shikan ka ngok ban jiling no mo diden gwasme bana rach ka jodan shala de Professor Julia Duany kamanan shala do gorjeno South Sudan leaders ki kwa South Sudan de koren paleka de ka loj marka ko bi malmu gaba kulben ki bi malmu bere we ka South Sudan and titine kana kona ban linga jeler me please go no jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi je support ka bi subscribe tuang na je ka leran yam gwas mi shala do nene te ka wun mi shi badre we ka Juba ko wud ma de go je en go jen wa charge abduct ke charge kidnap ke charge pay ke charge kep ko bom en 18 tin konila na kebre wiki Juba mane would ke manana shibat shika report jikane to bono nena kan guardian Michel ke Kamis Samuel Justin re wiki Juba wajen shabat ke chankan wan ka jo gwan mi mo ka bang lojen te yuru kamra re wiki Juba ka jo Michel lat daman Thomas Justin chela do nene jene Kamis che jien karun wanglong we yo we kamrar ka local bank ki gwadana yola kala kamaratin jene ka kore cho wo ka kunyiman an gwadama cho jegbone kan ankola ki nere ki gwalende ba ka chen dara mo shiner jela do nene jene Kamis jene mishawen winimi cho ko kuda kanyok cho nyok red pin ajene we ka kinya commercial bank ala KCB te yutu we withdraw ke te yutu we kamra no ajene jen nene jakka je kana nyok menen ke je ka jomi ka lat gwasme kane ke taro 2 pm jene chi Thomas chi ka message kane jekte message mi cha jakka ka a disturbing message that was sent to them karam dana jaga telephone damandi ne Kamis telephone me la jel kaje larkene no nena janen message cha jaga cha jugno cha Kamis cha janang ka unknown location gwad mi shangech en gwad shangejo cha janga no wen diere wi ka Juba chikan text message alo chikan jo chikan jaga telephone ala mi cha gor cha jugno Kamis cha nan ka unknown location ke gwad mi kwaika do brana cha nanga je kan ne to tin chi page gwad mon shu telephone Kamis cha shu gagakan you know no shineri konti la jidwar Kamis gwase me kala do nena shineri report me chine youtube ka police station di alki goda konti police te tray wi ka Juba kan shi garai ka konyo shi garai ka jimelekia jenetal update mission ben ano ka do badanan cha Kamis ke gaden cha je kep ka je Thomas chene di altin konti jimi di a che jogono nena written they have written an official statement ko dong de court la jillo kan kontre wi Juba de ga jako de kan warga de kan gor warga moni medew ke MTN company MTN network de kan utin ka de kan gwada danen jakke message tin de kan onyot kon message ay jakan gwada jakke message tin on to ma cha je kef ke cha nan gwad no kwaike de jo nyot ke je de je trace ko la ja nyot ke no gwa jakke message tin la last message la location la ja nyot but tina de ke MTN network MTN company no wa kan yugo no nyot ni location chikan de no but de je ko na approve a code mi na won tong mi de kan gwa danan jakke message tin de kan nyot cha jo mo cha jala cha la do ne Kamis rami mo mi ngai la de long jen wa responsible father te ne ka gat lo gat ka bako defend ka je lo la ka mo je yotin kon ko kan la cham antama ka bada me bada wi ke Juba ma chagu je no be gat ke be choose unless cha jek and point the kamis kan gat ke wa ke ne ti lamba so ko kuje mo chala do gorga kamis ko ba jek e wi ke Juba. So right now jo me der we ke ne diala content wi ke Juba no ne Juba ke ye she sap tama mi jal karwadu la gor no chiran jal karwadu mi jel karwadu den la ba jala la ro ne dokki ne ngwan ko bu kula te ko gwaj mi mo chenge te mi de to karan den cha je be ke ko ga ne ko la chu la lu kana la to mi cha je galo shi we gwadan wi yu wi ga gotun ko ngai constitution tre wi ki Juba no tele mu gwa titin cha te kane te ngwan te kap kana ka bo mi cha je gwam chul chul dong ba jinnak ke ba ji kina be ken and then again bekan ransom bekan a demand ke yuru de kam ke chit wur shala kamis de ja bekan chul ba ano de ga mo ke yo no so jo me mititin jandan rigadan je tore which ni mi ke Juba chana right kamana choda la rewi ka Akobo la Akobo county Akobo shikan mal chicken to kam dori ka jo mchalat gwasme wa Akobo county ka jongle state wa county commissioner James Queen Makwach wajen shetu kamen la de kam dori re which ni mi dornwari ci Queen Makwach James Queen Makwach la do ne go ba ne dial content kerik ba kam ken ba kalat wache to ka jen shanka diok ka jok ala Wednesday ka deng jok pa yam chol local community ke jidor dia tentere wichin gina mien go palana ka rodun kam no kun go abanati kemat ka jo chalat go aseme jene she local chief ke kwar content re wicha ka chol jamen ka chol she kwar di albatin kwar ngani ka chol ka chenetin kontin la jidwel kot kwalwa kot chaka chola kwalwe kusni ko de Akobo de jaka gwa malka michirna me wacha janno ko longa ne tingwan ban mela de genene re wujin winimi ngai kono meji to of course and county commissioner Queen Makwache to ka gad ka we chala me gagdong payam che ko witin ko ken ko wo be godial be ka jal bana me be ka kor ka me dane shi rector to re wi ka Akobo dio je kon dia ngaje no re wi ka Akobo charan cha janektin no ka ken nin dang ro de payu ka Akobo main market ki nek within to talk ka Akobo market chinere kon la local authority chi lodin je jadalo ngam chora lat ja kula do ne right now connecting kon charan dia ne ko chicken kore kana be kap ko ne me wa even killing me mo shimo go along me je ka ta dan chalat ke je chakula do ne en wo binaru dina nak wa je kalon nyok en me en riven killing ti tore we ka Akobo wa je na nyamantama wa ne ka jen faiwero 2024 dan wa jen kwa dan e chungti diatin te ram shala me nagre we chin mi ben ka ntama ka jen pai wala pai wa ko ri to ga pai wala pai wa so kuje mo ka jen mission cha to ga county commissioner Queen Makwaj jen gor jen ne dial no biga te kamal kamiken gor jeno binare realeka ko ba mal ba nyo mi bike commissioner Makwach ne diala content chengan winami che jogo no mitala mal wodoran che bogwa gor jeno de kon diaru dan nyokami mat korodan de ne charity de ne ka jojra ra idan cha jo mo cha je tup Queen Makwach kan kon nyam please mi jiram jirit gor no jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi support ko blerti bi kan jomala shukji channel right ke jom chalat ka Warab state gwan mi ma cha me cha ka to ko makap katen cha me cha ka to kre wishin winami ala me ngane jane shi Warab state kum rementary wishin winami ka nin dang rote payu cha ka mo ke 48 hour and within 48 hour ki tan jen ngani badak mo kan chiran chem me ke ki mai de che kam kum ke che report shi kan la ne no de kan me to de kan ka kef so mi shirga namo right now again talk and she kume che to ko temako mi keba tin kontin la mech ngene cha jo mo cha jo kwen ko gorje era mi mo mette ka mach gorje no baje dil kap cha jo mo cha jo kwen ken Shirana information minister Mamer bat shela do ne jene ken tan jen wan badek te ko ne sha top shika talk shika expired en tam rami mo mukuje o lok en ba mai de baje ke be ku deal ke kume cikala do ne en tam cha South Sudan people prevent force chagalo nyere we ka Warab state gor ken wan dialen kono te ka mech me chaje jek ba mai de ba kan kaji kam yu jello no kap ko mai du chala do jin bi kume be deal ke ji ala SSPDF a gen deadline ki ninte kone sha tup chika talk so kuji montem ba kwalat SSPD a chela ro ne na kana dial konen ba me ken ba ka kef kana tini ba ka use ken ko bi ken ne dial konti langwan tin ka match bi ken kalat ko mu ken chima di shi tup den ba ji kep ken ka ba ji yen cha jo mo cha ji tup ken ken na me lat ke je ka kwi emergency state e dane sha lat me shi kir ma yadi de lat la state of emergency me chala no re which ka warab wini mi woni ka mayom ken go dial ti ba me ken dial ba ka kep kan wani dial. So right now, can you can more can talk? Jen Jordan shala de ken. According to Minister, can operation baje lat baje realekare we keliu ko ba med dial ram te ka majmi chanen ka ba do dial ba ka tul. En gwa cha majik tena baje dial cap chicken operation chicken man chicken talk. Later one in was me Jetco electricity tariff reduction charge took gwa the la Jetco company a common man let karape. Wa tay dan chicken order kim yadi chicken logo jen wo ba yo ba ka yot pin antem chicken la do ne ka changa kel ka jen pai wel kel me won kin daro jen dangaro de di chicken no kono bi kan yo bi kan ku yot pin ka chaje to ko kan ga changa kel chicken right tin and wo ba yo di al ba ka yot pin du no lat ke jen wono ne na ngode ken ne to ke kan in fact de men dan dong chicken to ko je kan ngach du no gor ke jen wona rami mom dong ngwan yo ka nge jen wo chi che yo me che jeling der wo ka company jet ko ko jen de kan warga mu contract mu jidi de kan nyoko mu kana tan ko wa yot kan yo dial yot ni ka pin so yo me ripon mi shanon ko chicken jo kin mi yadi no chicken ling wana ka lero dien professor Julia Dwany che kwar che jogo no ne gwano de na de kan te kamar ko bi mal be bere wech ka South Sudan. Professor Julia Dwany, founder, commercial gender equity and women leadership program in South Sudan. Jena Kwerman, ka company Michelep, Guadanan la de mande kan boot ke je rewich. Ka jomo chalat gwas me take a training Michigan lep no commercial aid organization conference rewiki Juba. Professor Dwany chalado nene South Sudan che bo niam meken kwarka ken Korean kon pelika kamniken. Bi malbe ben unless you're in pelika yo mi churen pelika den be mal bukule ben ban metel pelika wa jeni name ke bit la no no kore che jo ma che jelat gor jeno ken kwar continent re ka South Sudan buren pelika ke bi nyur gwa kel ko bi go rai ka do brande mal dero nyam ke je ban mu right na je kam ne ken chin ne ko la citizen shi ka ruling jen name la re benu la re benerik cha jo mo cha jelat Ramadan en la kwer gwasme me la kwerman che jo mo che jelat and Professor Julia Dwany and wo na te kamal kamniken ki kwar pan ken ga te kamal kamniken jo me janan gore de nywa yekel gono jin bi je nywa ne ko ken please mi jiram jirit gwada men gono jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi je twany ko mete mi jidin mi ci break be chomala shi bugaji an biya te kamal bye bye